The Shiv Sena leader Suresh Prabhu has now cancelled his address at the Wharton University. And remember, this has happened after the Economic Forum cancelled Modi's address. And now the news that is just coming in that now the Shiv Sena leader Suresh Prabhu has also cancelled his address at the Wharton University. And yes, this could be very symbolic because this has happened after the Economic Forum cancelled Modi's address. Let's listen into some more reactions coming in on this story.
I have decided to not go because Narendra Modi is not going. So, because they have dropped him, it is unfair. So I thought I will also not go. I have been to Harvard, I have been to Princeton, I have been to almost all the top universities. They keep inviting me, but this time it is unfair for Narendra Modi, I thought. This is not the first time I am invited by somebody. So this is not prestige to me. I have gone to most of them many times. Not just first time. This is not the first time I got an invite. Because he is the 3 times elected Chief Minister of a state. So it is not just insult to him, but it's an insult to Gujarat and it's an insult to India because we don't recognize the democratic traditions of a country. It is very unfair. And we talk about plurality. Where is the plurality here?
So that was a reaction we got in from Suresh Prabhu just a short while ago, and Mayank is now with us on the phone line. Now Mayank, clearly this is a very symbolic reaction now coming in from Suresh Prabhu, who says that yes, because they do not want to tolerate this fact that why was Modi snubbed, and this is why in retaliation now he's also cancelled his own address.
That's true. Former Shiv Sena minister and senior Shiv Sena leader Suresh Prabhu has withdrawn himself from the Wharton Economic Forum. He has showed his displeasure to the event manager, saying that the way Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi's speech was abruptly cancelled, he has already shown his displeasure, and that is why he has cited the reason to withdraw from that particular event. He has said that the way Narendra Modi's speech was cancelled is absolutely not right, and that is why he himself is withdrawing. Wharton Economic Forum had organized a program where Narendra Modi, Suresh Prabhu and Montak Singh Ahluwalia was due to give speeches. But after Narendra Modi's speech was cancelled, now Suresh Prabhu has taken a stern stand not to participate in the event.